Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Slack on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the best methods. Now, the first method is to open Microsoft Edge and simply search for Slack in its search bar. And then when you search for Slack, you'll get the download button here. This will redirect you to the official Slack website and you can download the 64-bit version. And then you can simply click on open and it will start opening Slack. Now this is one method. I'll cancel it so that I could show you the second method. The results will be the same. The second one is through the Microsoft Store. So search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. And now search for Slack in its search bar and hit enter. So when Slack appears in the search results, which will usually be the first one, and it has more than 1,000 ratings, so we can be sure that it is a genuine app, then click on install. The interesting part is that when you install Slack through the Microsoft Store, it will be installed as a very clean software. It will not need a lot of time. It will not need a complete installer and all. You will just be able to install it directly. And once it is installed, you can directly connect your account to it. But let me show you once it is installed. Now click on open and give the permissions. Slack does need a few permissions, but be sure that it is a genuine software, so you don't need to worry about it. Click on sign in and then it will redirect you to the online platform because that is what is needed for authentication. And then you can click on this and then open the link and it will log you into Slack. Just wait and see. It logs you into Slack. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.